Hi, welcome to my new video. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to check the specifications of a laptop using different methods. So let's start. The generation typically refers to the processor generation or CPU model, which indicates how new and advanced it is. To check your laptop generation, run your Windows PowerShell as administrative. Type the command and press Enter. You can check the generation of your processor by looking at the model number, which usually starts with an i3, i5, i7, or i9 followed by a hyphen and a 4-digit number. The first digit after the hyphen is the generation number. The first digit after the hyphen is 7, so it's a 7th generation processor. The second method to find the generation is the Task Manager menu. On Windows, open the Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the Performance tab at the top. Look for the CPU section, and you'll see information about your processor, including its generation. RAM is the memory that your laptop uses to run multiple applications at once. To find the RAM of your system using PowerShell, open the PowerShell and type the command and press Enter. Here, it will give the memory in bytes. By converting it to gigabytes, it will come out to be 8 gigabytes. You can also find your laptop RAM memory from the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. Look for the memory section, and you will see the RAM memory that is 8 GB. For normal use, a laptop should have at least 8 GB of RAM. This will allow smooth multitasking and general usage. CPU speed is the clock speed at which the processor operates, measured in gigahertz. You can find your CPU speed using PowerShell. Open the PowerShell and type the given command. As you can see, my laptop CPU speed is approximately 1.61 GHz. To find the clock speed from the Task Manager, open the Task Manager and look for the CPU section. You can see the speed below the graphs as 1.61 GHz. For normal use, you should have at least a 2 GHz CPU speed. This is the storage space that your laptop uses to store your files and programs. You can check the capacity using the PowerShell command. Let's run the given command for hard drive capacity. As you can see, the storage in bytes that my laptop passes, which is approximately 932 GB. You can also find the storage and its type, whether it is HDD or SSD, from the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager and look for the disk section. Here, it's the total space, and below is the type of storage, which is HDD in my case. For normal use, you should have at least 256 GB of SSD. SSD is faster and more reliable than HDD, but they are also more expensive. Now let's come to the battery health. To find the battery's health, you can use the built-in PowerShell command. Type the command along with the path to save the report. It will generate a battery report, and save it to a specific location on your laptop. In my case, it will be saved in C drive with the name battery report. HTML. Now, go to the file location mentioned in the command output, and you'll find a file named battery report. HTML. Click on the report file, and it will open in a browser. As you can see the design capacity and full charge capacity in mAh. By calculating, it's come out to 92% of its design capacity. For mainstream laptops, the battery capacity must be 40,000 mAh or above. Now, finally move on to find the screen resolution. To check the screen resolution, press Window and R keys simultaneously. Type misinfo32 and press Enter key. Expand the component section and click on the display. You can see the resolution, which is 1366 by 768. The higher resolution, like 1920 by 1080 Full HD, is preferable for better image clarity.